Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video, and today I have a little unboxing review of an item that I recently picked up. I have the Louis Vuitton Card Coin Holder, and this particular one is in taiga leather and monogram eclipse combination. Let me just show you the tag and the price and the code for it if you would be interested in getting one for yourself. There we go. This is the item in question. And let us unbox it. It comes in a dust bag and in your Louis Vuitton box. So it is a card coin holder and it looks like this. As you can see, it has card slots on the top here. 1, 2, 3 card slots, and then an additional slot here, so we can say 4. Plus it has a side pocket here, like this. Plus then it has a compartment for your coins or money, whatever you would like to use this part for. And as I said, it is in monogram eclipse canvas and taiga leather. This part here, guys, is made out of taiga leather. Size wise, here is a comparison with the class, so it is bigger than the class. But the difference, of course, is the class has also a claw inside, which you can use to attach keys if you would want to. There we go, and you know that already. This one on the other side is strictly meant for money and cards, not really for keys. I mean, of course, theoretically, and practically also, you could put keys in here, but I would not recommend it, as it would make it much more bulkier and it would probably damage the piece itself. There. I plan to use this as a weekend wallet where I do not need so many cards, probably just my driving license and one card and maybe some cash, and that's about it. I think it's a very nice smaller piece, yet still big enough. In my opinion, I think it's more practical than your pocket organizer because of the added zipper compartment here, which I appreciate because I still carry cash and coins sometimes with myself. Therefore, I got this piece. Price-wise, I think it's decently priced for LVA product and very nice one. There are different combinations. You can get this in fluo yellow, or like in this new blue monogram canvas. I think they also offer it. Price is the same as this one. I think around the same money that I showed you. So I don't think it's more for the other color combinations. There. A very quick, simple video. If you have any questions about this piece, guys, please let me know. I'm here to answer them. Leave them down in the comment box. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend ahead of you. Cheers and bye!